By stimulating collagen production, this handle tightens and lifts the skin. The vacuum feature also promoted circulation and metabolism, aiding detoxification and supporting the body's natural cleansing mechanisms. Lifting and shaping, firming sagging skin. Employing low-frequency, ultrasonic waves at 40 kHz, this handles precisely, sculpts specific body parts. Hot hammer, open the pores, then nutrients can be absorbed quickly. Cold hammer, calm and repair, shrink pores. Tighten skin and remove the eye bag, fine lines and improve the blood. Helps to absorb the essence and improve the skin elasticity. Reduce the dead skin, break acne, blackheads, and dark acne into granulum. DRF facial lifting and tightening refresh your skin. Stimulated cell regeneration. LED pads emit light of 635 nanometers to 650 nanometers, targeting localized body areas and promoting your body's natural metabolism. The procedure leaves you with a smooth, tightened, and sculpted result.